Adopting a plant-based diet has gained significant popularity in recent years. This diet, which focuses on foods primarily from plants, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans, can be immensely beneficial for health and well-being. Whether you aim to follow a fully plant-based diet or just reduce animal products, you'll find plenty of research-backed benefits. Here are 5 compelling reasons why a plant-based diet is beneficial. Improves heart Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but a plant-based diet is shown to significantly lower heart disease risk. Plants contain a rich variety of antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats that help keep your heart healthy. Here's how it works. Lower cholesterol levels. Plant-based diets are naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are commonly found in animal products. Many studies show that people who follow plant-based diets tend to have lower LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Blood pressure management. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants found in plants play a crucial role in lowering blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart, and helping to prevent conditions like hypertension. Reduced inflammation. Plant foods, especially leafy greens, berries, and whole grains, contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that reduce inflammation in the body, a major contributor to heart disease. One study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that those who ate a diet high in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains had a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those who consumed more animal products. AIDS in weight management. Obesity is a growing health issue worldwide, linked to various chronic diseases. Plant-based diets can help with weight management in a sustainable way. Here's why. High fiber content. Plant foods are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Fiber not only promotes better digestion, but also curbs overeating by promoting satiety. Low caloric density. Most plant foods have a low caloric density, meaning you can eat a large volume without consuming too many calories. This approach helps in weight management by allowing for satisfying meals that don't exceed daily caloric needs. Reduced processed food intake. Switching to a plant-based diet often means cutting down on processed foods, which tend to be high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. A meta-analysis published in Obesity Reviews found that people following a plant-based diet lost significantly more weight than those on standard diets. This is largely attributed to the high nutrient density and low energy density of plant-based foods. Decreases the risk of type 2. Diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions, but dietary changes can play a big role in preventing and managing it. A plant-based diet can be particularly effective due to the following factors. Improved insulin sensitivity. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes provide nutrients and fiber that improve how the body utilizes insulin, helping to keep blood sugar levels steady. Lower glycemic load. Plant-based diets, particularly those focused on whole foods rather than processed carbs, tend to have a lower glycemic load. This means they don't spike blood sugar levels as rapidly, reducing the demand for insulin. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation has been linked to insulin resistance, and plant-based diets high in anti-inflammatory foods, such as leafy greens and berries, may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Research published in PLOS Medicine reported that people who followed a healthy plant-based diet had a 23% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to those who did not. The researchers attribute this to high levels of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in plant foods. Supports. Gut health. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental well-being. A plant-based diet can enhance gut health through the following mechanisms. High fiber content. Fiber, abundant in plants, is essential for a healthy gut. It acts as food for beneficial bacteria which produce short-chain fatty acids that promote gut health. Diverse microbiome. A varied plant-based diet supports a diverse gut microbiome. Plant foods introduce a range of fibers and nutrients that feed various bacteria, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. Reduced inflammation. Processed foods and certain animal products can lead to gut inflammation. A plant-based diet, rich in anti-inflammatory foods, helps reduce this and supports a healthier gut lining. Studies have shown that people on plant-based diets generally have a more diverse microbiome than those on omnivorous diets. This diversity is associated with better digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation, as the gut is closely connected to brain health. Lowers cancer risk. While no diet can guarantee cancer prevention, a plant-based diet can reduce cancer risk due to its abundance of antioxidants, fiber, and other protective nutrients. Here's how it works. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Plant foods are loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress is a contributor to cancer development, and consuming a diet high in antioxidants helps prevent this. Fiber's protective effect. High-fiber diets support digestive health by promoting regularity and reducing the time harmful substances stay in contact with the colon wall. This may reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Reduced red and processed meat intake. A plant-based diet typically involves fewer processed meats, which have been linked to an increased risk of several cancers, including colorectal cancer. The American Institute for Cancer Research reports that a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and beans can help protect against many types of cancer. The fiber and nutrients in these foods work together to lower cancer risk and support cellular health. Final thoughts. Making the shift to a plant-based diet can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing change. Here are some tips to make the transition easier and reap the health benefits. Start small. Try incorporating 1 or 2 meatless days into your week. Begin with familiar dishes like pasta with marinara sauce, veggie stir-fries, or hearty salads. Experiment with new recipes. Trying new recipes can make the transition exciting. Look up plant-based versions of your favorite dishes like tacos made with black beans or veggie-packed soups. Prioritize whole foods. Avoid overly processed plant-based products, as they may lack the nutrients found in whole foods. Focus on whole grains, legumes, vegetables, fruits, and nuts. Stay balanced. Ensure you're getting a balance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Adding nuts, seeds, and legumes to meals can help. Listen to your body. As you make changes, pay attention to how you feel. Many people experience higher energy levels and improved digestion after switching to a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet isn't just a trend. It's a proven way to support heart health, weight management, blood sugar control, and overall well-being. Whether you go fully plant-based or simply add more plant foods to your meals, you're likely to see positive changes in your health. Remember that making small, consistent changes can lead to lasting benefits for your body, mind, and future.